Let's quickly review what we covered in this section of the course. We started by discussing the importance of logs in cybersecurity, and we explored different log types, like firewall, network, and server logs. Next, we explored SIEM dashboards and how they use visual representations to provide security teams with quick and clear insights into the security posture of an organization. Finally, we introduced common SIEM tools used in the cybersecurity industry, including Splunk and Chronicle. We'll be exploring even more security tools later in the program, and you'll have opportunities to practice using them. Coming up, we'll discuss playbooks and how they help security professionals respond appropriately to identify threats, risks, and vulnerabilities. Meet you there.